Good morning. Here we are back at the HQ, obviously, and up next is this rig. We've already stripped it and pulled it all apart and cleaned it and stuff and got it ready. Don't want to bore you with those details. And now we're going to start the process. We're going to start the door first. Prints are all here, trimmed up, ready to go. That's something special. Later episode we'll see that one. But for now, enjoy the start of this big rig. Back again, round 3. It is now night time and raining, and we're just cruising along. Got the sides done, roof done. So we've got the little boxes and the back. This side's done as well. So we've got these little small boxes down there. Probably might do that as a real-time video so you can see how long it actually takes because it's quite quick. It is bright in here. I am tired. Enjoy the last part of this video. Just like that, all done. As you can tell, the rig behind me is all finished. We finished off all the back. And by we, I mean me. Got the trundle wrapped, back and bottom toolboxes, side of the bottom toolboxes, whole side, cabin, front of the cabin, and this little fun one up the top. Logo on the roof, pretty cool. And just like that, we're finished.